Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Transit driver's seat. Before you begin, gather your tools. You'll need a T50 or T55 Torx bit, a 15 or 16 millimeter socket, a ratchet, and an extension bar. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal first. Also, make sure you have ample space to maneuver the seat once it's unbolted. Next, we'll tackle the connections. Slide the seat fully forward to access the rear electrical connectors. There might be one large connector or several smaller ones for features like airbags or seatbelt warnings. Gently unclip these. Then, slide the seat back to access the front. You'll also need to unbolt the seat belt anchor, which typically requires a 15 or 16 millimeter socket. Ensure all wiring is completely free. Now it's time to unbolt the seat. There are typically 4 main Torx bolts securing the seat to the floor, 2 at the front and 2 at the rear. You'll likely need a T50 or T55 Torx bit for these. Once all 4 bolts are removed, the seat will be free. Remember, these seats can be quite heavy, weighing around 60 to 80 pounds, so it's highly recommended to have a second person help you carefully lift it out of the van. When you're ready to reinstall the seat, simply reverse these steps. Before placing the seat back, inspect the floor and bolt holes for any debris. Carefully position the seat, loosely thread all 4 bolts, then tighten them securely. Reconnect all electrical harnesses and the seat belt anchor. Finally, reconnect your vehicle's battery, start the engine, and verify that all seat adjustments, heating, and safety warnings are functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.